Thanks for stopping by my channel. This is my Christian series. I hope you enjoy some of my faith-based projects and inspires you to make your own. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell below so that you can be notified when I upload new projects to this series. Now, let's get into today's project. Today we will be making 3 crosses: hope, faith, and love. I actually found these beautiful crosses at the Dollar General store for just $1. I had the wooden crosses on hand and of course the Waverly Blue chalk paint. I also had the diamonds on hand. I'm not sure where I got those. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my pieces by taking off the strings that hold up those wooden crosses. Then I'm going to check and make sure that everything is off there and cleaned up, and so you'll see that I am taking off the stickers on the back. Then I'm going to take some sandpaper and just make sure that I have all the residue off. The next step is to paint the wooden crosses. I chose the teal because this is the color that she had mentioned she liked, and as you can see, it also complements the wooden crosses there. I made sure to paint the sides since it will be hanging on the wall and someone may see that. So I just want to make sure that it is all covered and looks beautiful. I did end up painting the back. I just wanted to make sure that everything was painted and nice and neat, but you can skip this step if you want to. I used wood glue to attach the crosses together. I also added the diamonds to the corners, except for the one at the top because of the nail hole. I could stop here, but I decided to add a little bit more just to make it a little bit more personalized. Add a nail to the top. I used E6000 to attach it. Then you can see I'm painting the nail. Then I'm adding some Jenga blocks and just painting them the same color as the cross. A tip here is I use a popsicle stick to help hold the Jenga block in place while I paint, and I don't get my fingers dirty. Just love that little tip. Then I use some more E6000 to attach the Jenga block to the nail and let it dry. As you can see, I added the diamonds to each of the 3 crosses. I used a paint pen to write the words faith, hope, and love. You could use a Cricut or you could do other things, but I chose to do this since it was a personalized gift. And there you have it, faith, hope, and love. I hope this inspires you to make your own crosses